Welcome to Florida Day 9. Good morning.
Morning.
We're walking to Disney Springs. We're going to Volcano Bay this morning. Well,
finally.
it's 10 o'clock.
I love a water
So we'll be there for the afternoon. You've not done that in years, have we?
No.
But we're going because we're staying at Saratoga. We're just walking to Lizard. We're just walking to Rope Drop Gideon.
Yeah.
Don't forget coffee because it's good coffee there.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is the plan. Spin you around. Nice.
Very excited for Volcano Bay, can't lie.
I'm excited for the rapids.
I also remember them having like a really simple, quite tasty pizza. Can you remember?
Yeah, I think we did have a good pizza there.
I think we were like reluctantly ordered a pizza there once.
No, it was
and
good.
then we were
I think.
like, oh, these are so tasty, it just hits the spot. No.
No, it was. I think it was.
Yeah. Yeah.
And we can have a refillable cup there
Yeah.
because they've got rid of them with typhoon now.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Yeah, I am actually really excited for Volcano Bay.
Yeah, me too. Rapids.
Probably.
We've never done the lazy river there. We just didn't see it. I don't think.
Yeah.
Try and do some slides, but their slides are quite scary.
Yeah, that sounds quite scary for Olivia. You're a afraid girl now, so.
Yeah, lots of them like got the side where, like, you know, the big like bowl things. It's like you're gonna fall out.
Yeah, but you're brave.
Yeah, we'll have a look at them, but most excited for the rapids. So
Yeah.
but, yeah, let's go to Gideon's. Limited edition. I'm getting that one. The coffee cake looks good. And you'll get that one's the best. Look.
Rob can't hear what you're saying.
They might a little bit. Look at the cake. You got the classic cold brew. Just taking this tablet.
Oh, lovely.
Is it?
Yeah.
I got the peanut butter.
Yeah, so good.
Oh, yummy.
Swap.
That is nice. Still sweet, isn't it?
Yeah.
Peanut butter good?
Peanut butter is good, but
It's
yeah, I'm
quite
very glad.
chocolatey.
Yeah, it is.
Right, and let's get the cookies.
What world is this? A small?
I know, that's a reg, isn't it? Oh, what's that over there? Oh, look, it's falling out the bag. This is limited edition, so I assume it's mine.
And then says nothing, so I assume it's mine.
I got, oh, smell it through there. I got the pumpkin bread. We were going to share, but we want it different.
Yeah, what a shame.
Let's show it. Pumpkin bread, look at that.
Banana loaf
Let's show.
with chocolate
Banana
chips.
bread. Can I see it, please? Yummy. Good. Let's break it. Ooh. Mmm. Really good. Do you want to try? Yeah. The banana bread's good. I reckon.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh no, it's good.
Oh, wow.
Banana-y. Good. We're here. Volcano Bay. Took ages,
Yeah, it is.
but we're here. Oh, it's not gone out. Or did it come off?
Yeah.
Oh no. Still going to locker. Maybe we'll see them at lunch.
Yeah.
Something. Filming now.
I wasn't doing it for the camera, I was doing it for you. You got 5 seconds to film the pizza before it starts getting demolished.
Give it up. And my pina colada strawberry thingy-mabob, not sure.
Taste test, here we go.
Taste test, here we go.
One
Good?
bite, everyone knows you're rich.
Is it good?
Mm.
Oh, it's hot.
Came from a hot place. Yeah. I like it.
We've done loads, haven't we, so far? Got my hair. What the hell? We've done loads, haven't we?
Hot, hot, hot.
Really hot. Whoa, what is going on? Look at that frizz.
Yeah.
George did the trapdoor.
Yeah.
Not as scary as Summit Plummet, he said.
No.
And then we've done the Fearless River, the Lazy River, a couple of the slides.
Yeah.
I think I want to go back in the wave pool after this.
Okay.
Yeah, it's good, isn't it, so far? What's time?
Yeah.
What's time?
I'm a big fan of Volcano Bay. Oh dear. Oh no.
It's about 2, half 2.
It's 2:45.
Oh, it's 2:45. And this is nice, quite strong. Should have just got peanut. I don't really like my drink, but it was $17.
I got confused because the machine on the left didn't have any syrup, so I don't think. Yes!
Oh, it wouldn't flip. I told the vlog I don't really like my drink, but it was $17. Well, I do, but it's not. It's taken so long to go. I drunk so much, but it won't go down because it's obviously melting.
Hello everyone, and welcome aboard the Walt Disney World Transportation System.
They got
We
mine.
are on our way to Epcot. For your safety and
We're going to
please refrain
Epcot.
from eating, drinking, or smoking while on board.
Yes.
And now,
For dinner at Teppan Edo, an extra deluxe hours after.
Yes.
Hopefully you can hear us on the bus.
Yes. I'm tired.
Yeah, we're tired of the volcano. But I still feel fine.
We've been doing lots of stairs.
So many stairs at Volcano, up to the top of the slide.
to the top of the plunger. What was it called? Kakua or something.
Kakori.
I thought Kori meant something else.
No idea. It's called Kakori, I think. But yeah, so many stairs. But I've taken a tablet because I had a headache, so I'm going to fun in a minute.
Yeah, the Kori was really fun though, wasn't it?
I didn't do it.
Oh right.
You mean the one we did?
No.
You mean the trapdoor?
The Kori, yeah.
That's the trapdoor one.
Yeah.
I didn't do that, just you.
Yeah. A big old Kori.
Anyway, yeah, go to Epcot, Teppan Edo, hopefully Guardians.
Yeah, and then hopefully... What's even at Epcot, which I love?
Guardians.
Yeah, Cycle Guardians.
Soaring. Yeah.
Not that crazy, but Soaring.
Yeah, it's good though. The only big ride is Guardians, right? Remy's is fine.
I hate Remy's.
I didn't think Guardians really. Oh, Test Track. If it's quiet, not like last time.
Yeah, Test Track left a bad taste in my mouth.
But it was good. We had to wait so long last time, the other day.
Yeah. I feel like Magic Kingdom was previously lower on my list than Epcot.
Now it's higher maybe.
Yeah, now it's much higher.
It
than
does
Epcot.
change every trip, doesn't it? It seems to, like the order.
I feel like Hollywood's consistently number one
yeah,
in terms of like parks.
Yes, but it does like vary a bit, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I think we liked Epcot a lot last time. Well, I'm excited to go anyway.
Yeah.
Hello, Shadow. In here.
I'll be excited once we get back to the hotel.
I don't know what that lady is doing so much.
I gave him a golfing and a magic cutter water. Okay, finally. Hola, we can join someone. One body pain off. And hola, with children. Okay, and we make him
Do you want to review Teppan Edo? Can I hear us, you think?
Yes.
It was very good, I thought. Really good fun.
We had a good time. Up a little bit higher. We had a very good time.
I had chicken. You get like noodles, rice, veg, salad at the start. And then you choose like your meat or whatever.
Very
I had the
tasty,
chicken.
very nice.
Chicken was very good. What's this?
I had wagyu
George, of course, had wagyu.
and shrimp.
And shrimp. Shrimp looked right nice.
Yeah, the shrimp was really good.
Crispy.
It's my first time having wagyu, and I found it
Fine.
fine.
Yeah,
Like
but it's a good... Sorry, you need to talk loud enough.
Huh?
Make sure you talk loud enough.
Yeah, well, it helps when. Done it again.
That's why I want it.
What with half my head missing? Looks fun.
Yeah,
The,
it was
the
good.
wagyu was nice. It was like a fancy ribeye.
Yeah, and you wouldn't have ribeye, I suppose, usually. Probably just hear that. But yeah, no, it was good. Would recommend.
Would recommend.
Yeah, worth trying something different, and it was good fun.
Yes, very
Our
good
lady
fun.
was very good. I would have put some clips in. And now we're waiting for the fireworks. At Japan. Here, there's less of a tree here. And then we've got extra deluxe hours till 11. So like an hour and a half we'll have after fireworks.
Yeah.
Ish. To hopefully do Guardians
Yeah.
right at the end or something. I don't
Yeah.
feel too tired now, do you?
No, I do.
Oh, he does. I feel fine. So we'll do Guardians. And yeah, we'll see.
We'll see.
Yeah.
We ate in here before, didn't we?
Yeah, San Angelo, whatever it's called, isn't it? It was a bit mid, wasn't it?
remember, so it must have been.
Yeah, I don't think we rated it. It's cool in here though. Oh. Oh no.
I don't know, qui ma avanti tutte cose di strumento. This way.
Look good.
Stations throughout the city take Xandarians everywhere they need to go and at ultra high speeds.
Recently learned that your Terran visionary, Walt Disney, had a similar goal in mind with his early concepts for the
Broken down.
Novas are part of the community. As all Nova work together to promote the common cause of galactic harmony, the differences in rank are noted.
No other ship within our galaxy has the level of Greetings, Terrans. I am Nova Prime Irani Rayan, commander of the...
Yeah, she didn't say anything.
I think she knew.
Do you think?
I think so.
Well, that's so close to your face. Very 9.
Okay, I'm locked onto your vehicle. We'll be right behind you. Nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man, then you're likely doomed.
Good luck. You're gonna need it.
To open it manually. Now, no one has ever had to do that before, and to be perfectly honest. Oh, we got it! You're good to go! Let's do this!
What have we done? I think we're going back.
Just a figure of speech, Drax.
You are lying to them. Now I understand.
Look at the room.
Guardians broke down.
Oh yeah, and the
And-
queue.
Yeah,
We showed.
and
Oh my god, show that. I got a
It's very good.
too.
It's. Can you see it? They see it. It's
Mm,
funny
enough.
shaped.
And
It's
huge.
3 nuts. 3 nuts in one M&M.
Yeah. We showed that it broke down.
Oh right, yeah.
And it did, yes. Well, not for long, but it did take an hour to go on it. So it wasn't the most successful extra hours, was it?
No.
We did 3 caballeros and Guardians.
Oh yeah.
And lots of fireworks, all in 2 hours, I suppose. Not too bad. It was a nice evening. We briefly rated Teppan Edo, didn't we? No, we did rate it. We recommend. So, having my pudding, that I've been waiting for. And then it's 11:30, so it's here to bed. So tomorrow,
I forgot. I'm allergic to peanut.
he's not. So tomorrow is Epic. Epic Universe Day.
Yes. Liv's got to finish how I met your dragon.
Yeah, I've seen Dragon in the morning. At least most of it.
Yeah. Can't have you being a big fan.
Well, because it's meant to be really good, that portal, so I want to be able to rustle in.
I'm sorry.
So I want to be able to, like, appreciate it.
Yeah. Good
But
night.
at least I already know who Pickup is and stuff.
Yeah.
So yeah, see you tomorrow for Epic Universe. Bye!